I'll show you what I'm made of right now!
Please go, human. Go to your hot form.
Come on, Master!
My body is ready! Come on. Oh jeez. Is this a whole-ass magical girl transformation? It literally looks like a parody of the Sailor Moon one. The frames and the composition is like identical for parts of it. I literally didn't know this was a thing. This is amazing. This is so bad and so good at the same time. I love it. Incredible. That was great.
What's happening?
I'm so glad I didn't know about that going into the game. It was so much better that way. A literal rainbow vomit.
Here's your solution.
The solution key has vomit? What? Oh, no, it's like evidence. Okay. What's the truth?
Are you ready to give your life for the truth?
Huh? I mean, technically I gave away all my memories to her, so probably.
Just say, I am.
Is this a wedding vow?
I am!
Nice. What is this animation? What the fuck is this? Is this our wedding? This is actually so well animated and so cute though. What the fuck? I love these two! I love them as a duo so much! I fucking love these two! They might be one of my favorite game duos in a very long time, actually. Is she deep throating my hand? What the fuck? Oh, it's a sword. Oh, I've seen this clip before. I just for some reason forgot it existed.
Lay it all out, Master!
God, the transition animations are really fun. Is this the fucking island? Are we just in Super Danganronpa 2 now? This is a very weird minigame. Could have been Aphex then, maybe. Like I thought in the beginning. I don't know. What? What? she moe cuned a little too hard.
That's right.
I want to know what the boom kill is. We're probably going to get to see it and then it'll make more sense. I feel like it might just be a catchphrase, but I wonder if it's actually something. Don't tell me, I'll find out. Oh, it's turned into Lapida. Nice. Man, it's a lot of walls. I gotta break them all down. Let's do it. What the fuck? Okay. She just literally put us in her mouth and flipped us on her head. I think we almost got bored. We almost got bored here, but the game was too afraid to go all the way.
Time to shine!
We're gonna boom kill it. Wouldn't that be really bad though? Because then he can't confirm his guilt. If we kill, oh, I really like how the shader here makes it look like Danganronpa execution art.
Overflowing despair.
Oh, I like this a lot.
The brilliant soul of Shinigami.
And now it's all magical, girl. I like the piano riff and the jazz going on here. cute and spooky. I am loving this. This is like, I actually might like this aesthetic better than Danganronpa. I think it's entirely because I really like Shinigami. Dang. We boom killed him!
Oh, wait!
You can't just be like, you have no right to a lawyer. I think you definitely do.
Hey, excuse me. Do you have a
Who
minute?
is this? I like his voice.
You. It's all good.
This is gonna be my friend,
Let's
isn't it?
stop all the fighting.
I love him. I love him.
Have to follow
Oh my god, I love
higher up, so let's not do anything that causes
Who's
unnecessary
this?